How to use the OneMo Backpack. The main compartment. Use the OneMo's middle divider to store your gear in an upper and lower configuration. You can use the other dividers to customize. Your upper space according to the size of your gear, such as a camera, 2 lenses, a monitor, and a light. The lower space can store the built-in pouch. Remove the pouch to free up space for your clothes or travel items. You can customize the dividers to create a left and right column. Open the middle divider's Velcro and push it all the way down. Use the other dividers to get a left and right column. Store your gear in one column and your camera or travel items in the other. There is a small black bag inside the main compartment. You can use the bag to store a wrench or other accessories. Using the Velcro to fix the bag on the dividers or inside the main compartment. The expandable storage capacity. The expansion on the backpack's front fits your stabilizer without having to dismount it, zipping the front zipper to use the expandable capacity. How to use pockets on the side. There is a dedicated pocket with charge level indicators for camera batteries on OneMo's side. Slide the indicator and use the 2 colors to mark your battery's charge levels. On the top of the battery pocket is an anti-theft pocket with zipper that safely stores your credit card. On the OneMo's other side is a pocket in which to store your SD card wallet, and data cable. Inside the pocket is a hidden mesh bag where you can place your filters or power banks. Below the SD card pocket, you can store your tripod or water bottle. Use the external strap to insert it through the loops on the side and secure your item. How to use the easy access pockets. OneMo's shoulder strap contains a little pocket with elastic band in which to store your camera battery, card, or lens cap. The back panel's 2 pockets can store your 2 shoulder straps. The front magnetic pockets enable you to store your external straps or small items. How to store your laptop. The laptop compartment has been designed with a padded divider. You can store your tablet and laptop separately. It fits a 16-inch laptop or smaller. How to use the external strap. The OneMo has multiple webbing loops around it that allow you to strap in items. Cross 2 external straps to fix your sleeping bag or tripods on the bottom or top of the bag and use the hooks to secure. How to wear the bag comfortably. The back panel and shoulder straps are padded with honeycomb-structured TPR that help disperse the backpack's weight and offer a breathable experience. Use the load lifter straps to make the backpack a perfect fit for your body. Pull on the loose ends to tighten or lift to loosen. The sternum and waist straps help to reduce the pressure on your shoulders. Attach the waist straps hooked to the attachment points on either side of the bag. Pull on the loose ends to adjust the strap until comfortable. How to wear your OneMo Backpack. Its design enables the backpack to easily and securely fit a rolling luggage. Tuck away your shoulder strap in the hidden back pocket and use the handle to carry your backpack. How to use the OneMo on a rainy day. OneMo is a perfect fit for outdoor activities because it's waterproof and scratch, wear, and dirt resistant. Just wipe the surface of the backpack to clean off dirt. The built-in rain cover hidden in the shoulder straps can avoid raindrops from getting in the back panel. OneMo also has a rain cover at the bottom of the bag. Take it out to protect your backpack from heavy rains. OneMo's shoulder bag organization. The OneMo shoulder bag can be used as a day-long shoot bag. It also works like a built-in bag that fits within the OneMo backpack. By using the dividers, you can store your drone kit or one camera with one lens. The mesh pocket on the shoulder bag's side allows you to carry data cables and filters. The external pocket can store your smartphone and accessories. The expandable storage capacity meets your different needs. Open the top zipper to use the expandable space to carry your water bottle. How to carry your OneMo shoulder bag. The shoulder strap consists of a strap and a shoulder belt. Attach the two ends of the shoulder straps to the loops and adjust the length of the strap until comfortable. Use it as a waist bag. Attach the two ends of strap to the loops on the side of the bag and pull on the loose ends to tighten. Use it as a waist bag.